today I am gonna give you a whole bunch of fun small Roblox scripting project slash exercises slash quizzes to help you learn how to script. So basically I'll tell you how to script something, then you will pause the video and you will go script it, and then you will come back to this video and I'll show you how to script it. Sounds good? Okay, so if your script looks similar to my script, that means you got it right and you get 1 point. So let's see how many points you get, and you can accumulate that by the end of the video. Alright, exercise number 1. We are gonna start very simple. I want you to create a red part inside the workspace. So a normal red part in the workspace. Go ahead, you can pause the video now and I will count to 5 and I will show you the solution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now so you have hopefully created something. So now I will tell you how I would do that. So personally I would just create a local script. No, not a local script, a normal server script, and inside that script I would do, well, let me move my water. Okay. Local part equal instance.new equal instance.new part, and we have to put this. So yeah, part. Okay, I am just gonna do this workspace. Okay, what that is doing, this line is making the part, and this line, nope, part dot brick color equal brick color dot red, and what that is doing, so this thing will give a variable and whole this thing have a variable, and that's part. And I won't explain you in detail. I have a video and I only showed you, so maybe it will be somewhere here, I don't know. But and this is changing the color. So if we and here's our red part, and that was pretty simple. So if you did that, very good, you got 1 point. And if you couldn't do that, I will tell you to go please watch the first part. In that I told you every single code in detail, and I will tell you every single code in detail here too, but the code I already told, I won't told them in detail. So if you want the detailed version and you couldn't do that, you should go and watch that one first. Okay, exercise 2. 10 falling red balls. Each subsequent ball spawns after 1 second. So it will be like 1 ball, after 1 second 1 more red ball, after 1 second 1 more red ball, and it will go for 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10 probably. So every 1 second a ball spawns, and it should be total 10 balls. So what you need over here is you have to script 10 red balls, and they should fall from the sky, and each 1 second. So go do it. I will give you 5 seconds, and if you can't do it, don't worry, you are at least trying your best. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here's I will do. I will just come here, and we have a red ball, and what we need here is, so our part should be dot shape and equal that to ball. What that is doing is Sorry, I lost my head. What was it doing? It's creating the balls outside. My head is spinning right now. So, yep. Actually, I was in hospital for so long. That's why I couldn't make any videos. So if we come here, position equal vector.3.new and 0. How? Maybe 50 starts and 0. And what's that doing? It will create. If I come here, test, run. So you will see a red ball is spawning. But we need over here, if you can see, we need 10 red balls and it's spawning only one red ball. So what we will do, we will create a for loop. And what a for loop will do, if you come here, for I equal, what the hell is equal? 1 over 10 do, and we will just delete that and we will put here, and we will do task dot wait 1 second. And what that is doing, it's creating a part and coloring it to red, making it ball, putting in the 550. It starts up, and that's y-axis. Whoever played Minecraft, he know what x and y and z means. And task.wait, it will wait 1 second. So, and over here we have for loop. So it will create a for loop. Personally, a loop, easy way. And if you don't know what for loop means, please go watch the video I was talking about earlier, the part 1. I told you everything about for loop and how loops work in that video. Okay, so if we come here and run, now it should create every 1 second a ball. See, 10 balls. Are there 10 balls? That was fast. Yep, they are 10 balls.
If you see for now, you won't see our ball and meteors, and we need it to be meteors, so we have to change its size to 5,5,5, and the ball should have fire. Right now it's just looking like a ball, but if we come here and change its size to 5,5,5, it's way bigger and looks like meteor. So if you see the comparison, it's more like nearly 4 balls. So yeah, if we turn that into all of them in meteors and all of them have fire, think how cool it will look. So you have to do that. How will you do that? Don't worry, try your best. Okay, so if you come here and if you just copy and paste this, you can just edit the size, and over here vector 3 normal, just change this part into 5,5,5. So if you can see on the screen, I will put a text part.size equal vector3.new 5,5,5, and if you come here and do local fire equal instance dot new brackets and parentheses fire comma part, what that is doing, it's putting the fire in the part, not in the workspace. If you come and see here, every single ball have fire, and it's wait, we should change the size. Meteor's done is spawned from thin air. Let's just change it to maybe 500. That sounds good. Yeah. And maybe we should change the fire size too. So if you come here and do fire.size equal 15, and what it will do, it will create the fire. Why I did 15 and not 15 dot comma 15 comma 15 comma, because if you come here and you look, it has only one number. If you come and see in the fire, it only has one number, a whole number. So we will just put only one number. So if you see, if we put 20 over here, 20 is a little bit much, 15 is better. Yeah, that's way better. We don't want our game to be burned down. I guess 15 is good. And if you come and see in the part, there's three numbers, so 5.5 or anything, but in fire there is only one whole number. So we will change only one whole number. So we will do fire dot size equal 15. So that's how you do it. And if you could do, very good. I am very impressed. And if you couldn't do that, don't worry, everyone is learning. It's okay. If you try it, you can see it has now bigger fire and it's looking way better and more like meteors. I forgot the word, sorry. Okay, so this is the code, and if you think it was better, you can just copy in. Okay, so for now, if you see, our meteors are falling in the same place, but we don't want them to fall in the same place, because meteor don't fall in one place and especially stack on each other. We want it to be random. I won't lie, it looks satisfying though, but we don't want them in the same place. We want them in the random place. Maybe one here, maybe one here, one there, and one there. Like that, random places. For now it's in the same place, but what you have to do is change them in the random places so all of them are in the random places. It can be tough, but don't worry, try. You guys are, if you guys are beginner, then maybe it can be tough, but don't worry, try your best. I am here to teach you. I will teach you. And if you are kind of advanced level, then you can do it, man. So what you have to do is you have to change the position of the what do you call them, balls, meteors, sorry. I will give you an example though how to do it. So if you come here and do part, no, print, and 333. So what you are doing is telling Roblox to print 333, but we want 1 2 3. So I will do math.random. So math.random and 1 over 300 100. Yep. Okay, so what that is doing, it's printing and telling Roblox to print 1 over 100, so anything between 1 and 100. And if you come and see here, if I start, oh, I forgot, it was enable. Always check your scripts. Okay, so if I come here and over here you can see a random number. If I try again, it's giving me a new random number. If I try again, it will give me another new number, and there is the other new number. So what you have to do is use this math.random in our old script. So if you go in the old script, and you can just, one more hint, you just have to change the position. Don't change anything else, only tweak a bit in the position one. Other than that, don't touch anything, please, or you can maybe do something wrong and your thing won't work. And actually, if you did something weird with your script, it's good. Go watch again. I hope you guys have done it. Then if you didn't done it, don't worry, I'm here. I will explain you how to do it. And if you come here and just copy this math.random and paste this in our old script, you can just over here, if you see in the position place, there is 2 zeros that we didn't change. And what we will do here and is do math.random. So if you see over here, our balls are or meteors is spawning in the same place. But if we tweak a little bit with the x-axis and z-axis, you can see if I put 100, it's going there. And same for the y and z-axis. Don't change the y-axis actually. But x and z-axis, if we tweak a little bit with that. But remember in the script, we put 0 on x and z. So we will just copy this and put this in this 0 and we will tell Roblox, come on, from 1 to 100, a random one. So it will copy a 1 to 100, a random number, and input it. It's good, isn't it? So if we come here and we see, so it's math.random 1 over 100. So it will maybe be 33 or 29 or 69. I don't know. But if we try here and you can see it's generating on the random places. And if you could do that, very good. I am very impressed by you. But if you couldn't do that, don't worry, it's okay. Everyone have to mess sometimes. Even I sometimes messed with this when I was new. So it's okay, don't worry. If we change it to 200, the radius will be more. If you see there over there, it's spawning from there to here. So very random places. And it looks like meteors now. And if we come here and see it's 5,5,5, and they all have fire and it's looking like a N. I have no idea why. Don't ask me why I am making a N. I am out of my mind. But if you could do that, very good. If you couldn't do that, don't worry. You're at least trying to be a good at scripting. And soon enough, I will teach you how to make a full game. So stay tuned. And maybe in some days, I will make a new video. I know this video took probably like 10 days. I was kind of in big problems, so now I am out of it. So I will try my best. And I hope you could do that. If you could do that, you got 1 point. And if you couldn't do that, don't worry. We have one more thing. And okay, you can just watch it and do it. I'm very confused. Okay, so this was the end of the video, and if you like it, like the video, subscribe. Yeah, I know I was pretty late. I was in the hospital, and I'm still in the hospital actually because of some problem, and tried my best, and I will make the videos regularly. Try my best, and yeah, I know you guys some spotted. Half of my video didn't have same voice because it got corrupted. I know. I am very sad. In night, 4 a.m. I am recording and doing voice over, so my voice can be a little bit off. Please, guys, don't unsubscribe and write in the comments you have 5 minutes again. But like the video, subscribe. Bye.